Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music from Spotify to your InShot video. Whether you want to add your favorite tracks or create the perfect soundtrack for your video, I'll walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. One thing to remember, InShot does not allow you to directly import music from Spotify, but don't worry, I will show you a simple workaround. You need to download the song from Spotify first, so find the Spotify app on your home screen and open it. Now find the song you want to use on the InShot app. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. Now tapping on the song, here you can find the download option. Simply tap on it. To download the song, you need to have premium Spotify account for that, and only then you can download the songs from the Spotify app. After downloading the song, simply go on to the InShot app, tap on to the video option and create a new video. Then tap on to the audio option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on to the music option, which is right here. Here you can see the option of imported. Now tap on it and again tap on to import, and the downloaded songs will be in the files option, and from there you can add the downloaded Spotify song. And that's it, you have just learned how to add music from Spotify to your InShot video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.